Today we are going to make crostata, a marmalade tart, easy and quick to make for an afternoon tea or coffee, for a snack to enjoy with the kids. Let's get started. We need 350 grams of 00 flour, 200 grams of salted butter, 150 grams of caster sugar, 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 300 grams of marmalade of your choice. In this case, I have used cherry and orange for the second crostata. In a mixer, add the flour and butter. If the butter is too hard, use your hand for the butter to blend into the flour. Add the sugar and continue mixing. In the middle, add the yolks and vanilla. Then continue mixing with the mixer. When all the ingredients have blended together, continue working the dough on a clean surface. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Section the dough into 2 parts, in which 200 grams will be put aside for the top part. The rest we will work and flatten with a pin roll to create the base. To make it easier, cut a square of baking paper and place it underneath the base so it is simple to transfer to the tin tray. In this case, I use a diameter of 26 centimeters. Poke the base with a fork so it doesn't rise during the baking time. Add your favorite marmalade and spread evenly. Lastly, we can decorate the top by flattening and cutting up the remaining dough into strips. Pop it in the oven at 180 degrees and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. If you have any leftover dough, you can make mini crostatas with Nutella for the sweet tooths, in this case my little munchkins. And voila! Beautiful, soft, delicious crostata. Let it rest a little till it cools down. Then you can sprinkle icing sugar for the finishing touch. Delight your soft and delicious crostata for dessert or for an afternoon snack. Enjoy!